Hi, good morning dear children. Congratulations, you have done your examination well. And today, we are going to learn the next lesson, countable and uncountable noun. This is very important and very easy to understand. Read the chapter name, countable and uncountable noun. Read again, countable and uncountable nouns. You know what is the meaning of noun already, right? The previous lessons we have learned nouns, and today we are going to learn countable nouns and uncountable nouns. Countable noun means whatever we are able to count, that's countable noun. In case if I have 10 pens, so I can say 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Like that we can count 10 pens. And if I ask you to count how many hands I have on my head, can you count? No, it is not possible to count. So it comes here. It comes under uncountable nouns. Countable means whatever we are able to count. 1, 2, 3, 4. So it comes under. There could be, you may have at your house maybe 10 chairs, 2 sofas, 3 fans. So we can count, 1, 2, 3, 4. But sometimes you may have more, which is not unable to count. If I give you a hand of sand to you to count, can you count? No. It is not possible to count all the sand, mud. So it comes under uncountable noun. So, dear children, first understand what is countable and what is not countable. Whatever we are able to count, the nouns, materials, person, everything comes countable noun. No sir, I am unable to count because it is there. It is not your inability. Okay? So, there are more which is unable to count, as I said, here. It cannot count. So it comes under uncountable noun. So dear children, in this lesson, let's learn what is countable and uncountable noun with some exercises. So here we go. First, let's read the paragraph. Read the paragraph. Goldilocks entered the house of the 3 bears. Right here, 3 bears. She saw that the first room had 3 chairs and a table. 3 chairs and a table. A table means A comes, it indicates 1. A table, A comes 1. Right? 3 chairs. A means 1 table. On the table were 3 bowls. On the table, how many bowls were there? 3. So, we can count the bowls. 3 bowls were there. Right? In the bowls were hot porridge. In the bowls, they had hot porridge. Porridge means it's a eatable items. So, porridge, it is not possible to count. How we will count? No. It is a liquid item. We cannot count. Can you count milk? Okay, just imagine instead of porridge, we have milk on the bowl. Can you count? No. How will you count the milk? How 1 milk, 2 milks? Cannot count. So it comes uncountable now. Fine. Steam was rising from it. In a jug. In a jug. What means? A jug means 1 jug. In a jug was hot milk. As I was telling, milk. Hot milk. Right? In a jug, they had hot milk. It is so hot milk. Another jug had water in it. In another jug, they had water in it. In this paragraph given above, all the common nouns have been printed in bold type. Bold type means they have marked as dark. Here dark, house. What is a noun? It's common nouns. House, bears, room, chairs and table, bowls, porridge, jug, milk, water. All these bold letters are called common nouns of being printed in a bold type. Right? We can count some of these common nouns. We can count some of these common nouns. So, read that beers. We can count. Already they have counted 3. 1, 2, 3. 3 beers. Right? And room. First room. See, they have given already the house, 3 beers, etc. Beers, house. We can count. Right? The same way. So, they are countable nouns. Dear children, remember clearly. House, we can count. Beers, we can count. Room, we can count how many rooms we have in our house. We can count. Chairs, yes, we can count. We can count the chairs. Same way, table, we can count. 3 bowls, we can count how many bowls we have. We can count. Porridge, no, we cannot count. Right? Stream, no, we cannot count the stream. And jug, yeah, we can count how many jugs we have. Milk, no, we cannot count milk. How we will count milk? No, not possible to count milk. Water, the same way we cannot count water. Right? So, whatever we say that we can count, yes sir, I can count it. It is easy to count. It comes under countable noun. It comes under countable noun. But, no sir, we cannot count sir. When we say all these things, milk, water, porridge, stream, all these things we cannot count. So it comes under uncountable nouns. It comes uncountable nouns. So dear children, keep it in your mind. Whatever we are able to count, that is called countable noun, and some things we cannot count, that is comes under uncountable noun. Right? Yeah. Here we go with some notes for you. This is very important for you. This is very important. Uncountable noun will not begin with a or an. Read again. An uncountable noun. Uncountable means more. More, which cannot count. As we said, milk, water, hair, sand. This is cannot count. So there, noun will not begin with a or an. So why sir? We say a and an. What is the meaning of it, sir? As I said here, as I said on a table, a means one. The same way, an means one. A or an both are same meaning. A, one means one, and also comes one. Sir, why they are showing here together, sir? But in coming classes, we will learn where to use and a and an. Where to use that we will learn in the upcoming classes. But remember, meaning is same. A also same one, and also same one. Right? And another one, it will not have an yes. Yes at the end of sentence. It does not have a plural form. Okay? It will not have yes at the end of it. So whenever we have a uncountable noun, so it doesn't have, it will not have yes at the end, since it does not have plural form. It does not have plural form, right? Except for some words. Some words doesn't have plural form, which means in a word, at the end the sentence or noun ends with S, right? So like this, it is not having. Why? Because it doesn't have plural form. It does not have plural form, right? So here let's see some exercises. These exercises will make you very clear. Listen carefully, see carefully, so that you can easily understand. So far we have seen what is countable noun and what is uncountable noun, and what are the rules which will not begin with A and as well as N and as well as which will not end with S, right? So see this exercise 1. Correct the following uncountable nouns by deleting. Deleting means removing the A or an and the S at the end of each noun. So we have here 8 uncountable nouns. Water, we cannot count. Oil, we cannot count. Rices, we cannot count. Sand, mud, as I said, mud, right? We cannot count. Furnitures, uncountable noun, we cannot count. Luggages, same, we cannot count like luggages. Chalks, no, we cannot count. Joy, joy means I'm so joy, which means I'm so happy. How we can count? No, we cannot count. All these are uncountable nouns, but here they gave us with a mistake. A means 1. And here's a mistake, it is there, and it has a plural form. As we have seen in the previous slide, see here, an uncountable noun will not begin with A or an, and as well as it will not have S at the end. But here we have all the mistakes. This we are going to remove and correct the proper one. Our waters means one water. How we can say one water? We cannot say one water. And as well as yes, waters, it comes plural form. No, water is correct one. See here, water is the correct one. So we cannot have one water and as well as plural form yes. Okay? And the same thing, an oil. An means one. Oil, you know what is the meaning of oil? So, oil, we cannot say one oil, right? So, what we supposed to do? We have to remove and which will not have yes. So, we have to remove and as well as yes. Oil is the correct one. Oil is the correct one. And the next one, rices. It doesn't have plural form and as well as it should not begin with A. So rice is the correct one. We have to remove A and S as they have given this uncountable nouns. We have to delete an or A and S. We have to remove and speak and write. Okay. The next one, sands. As sand, you cannot say, right? Sand is the correct one. And the fourth one, furnitures, which comes under uncountable noun. So, A means 1, it is countable, it comes mistake, okay? So, we have to remove A as well as yes. So, furniture is the correct one. The same way, luggages, we have to remove A and yes. Luggage. So, and chalks, no, chalk. Chalk is the correct one. And joys, no, dear children, we have to remove and yes, joy. So this is the correct one. We have to remove and yes in uncountable nouns. In uncountable nouns. So these are mistaken given. We have to remove and we have to make it as correct one, uncountable noun here. So this is a proper uncountable noun. Yes, dear children. Today we have seen what is countable noun and uncountable noun, the basics. So go home and check the kitchen or see around your house or check in your house and see the things. Try to count. If you are able to count, and it comes under countable noun, and if you are unable to count, it comes under uncountable noun. Please don't be lazy. Sir, I have this much at home, but I feel lazy to count. Don't. It comes under inability. Okay. So if you are able to count, but I don't count, sir. So it is not the meaning. So for example, if I give you something, oil. Take an example, oil. But how would I count oil? It becomes uncountable now. So just do some experiment at home. Just count and see. If you are able to count, that's countable now. And if it's unable to count, that is uncountable now. So just try to do it at home and stay safe. Thank you, dear children.